Had a GY6 engine, 150cc, had spark, compression, and fuel. Did not start. I adjusted the initial valves to spec. Ended up removing this one, putting a new one on. It's kind of charred. Also, if you look at the inside of the boring here, there's some scoring there from where the cylinder head was grinding up against. That was the reason why it would not start. Was not creating enough compression. As you can see, the cylinder head gave out here and on the other side here. So probably the 2 o'clock, 11 o'clock gave out, which was causing a low compression and no start, more like sputtering, engine sputtering. Have the exact, oh, I'm gonna shut my phone. Have the exact same cart right there, same setup. That one's fine, but this one here, check the stator, magneto, all that at first, thinking that was the issue. But at the end of the day, what is this right here? New parts coming in soon, and we shall see.